What's up, y'all? Here's the clip of me hitting our polyethylene water pipe with our post hole digger. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. So here it is, all fixed, but I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed my polyethylene pipe crack. I did it with a shovel, a post hole digger. I'll post a video of that. And yeah, I did a post hole digger and cracked it. And so I'm gonna show you guys how I cut it, and put the coupling in it. So I'll leave all the things you need in the description as well. Thank y'all for watching. Hope it helps. Okay, so I'm gonna make a small cut here. Make sure it's just here. Oh, Stanley, ouch.
Oh, wow. He's a plumber, y'all.
Okay, now you're gonna put the hose clamps on each side, but not too far over. It's gonna be to keep this tight. Oh no, babe, you need to control this beast.
Stanley, come.
Ouch. Tighten the hose clamps really good. All right, next we're gonna put the coupling in, and we're gonna mallet it down as hard as it could go. Mallet. Now you're gonna add dish soap just around the edges. Don't put too much, and it's gonna make it way easier to go on since you can't do the mallet. Way easier. Watch this. They're all neck. Oh yeah.
But I didn't know, like, I'm thinking a little pressure to, I put it like right here. That nigga was done. Get the roly-poly if you go get something. Don't hit his finger. Oh, wow. Is that all that's supposed to? Oh, you didn't get the goo.
We need goo?
No, I don't think there's something about that goo.
Lastly, you're gonna tighten it. Tighten it, and then turn your water on. Here's our water. And as you can see, there are no leaks. Oh yeah, baby. I'm a plumber. It's on.
Yo, y'all.
Hold on.
I know what my man can do and what he can't do. I've been telling him to do the plumbing this whole motherfucking time. And he want to pay a motherfucking named BJ. I'm just kidding.
Yo, we did pay a plumber like over $1,000
in 1 month.
named BJ. Yeah, in 1 month for only 3 trips. So
and he finessed.
From now on,
we asked for a quote and this nigga came
out here and just got to working.
Yeah, I forgot. Okay. Not it.
Okay, guys, so look, man, holy shit. I actually did that. Like,
holy cannoli!
I actually did that.
Yeah, I thought you had fun.
Yo, she said, is it on? I said, no.
Yes, send them that shit, bro.
And there's nothing on here but soap. There's no water leaking.
Yes.
Alright, guys, so this is just proof if I can do it, not discrediting myself, but I don't have any plumbing experience. So YouTube videos and then just try to do it.
You do discredit yourself though. Oh, just believe in me because I believe in you.
Make sure this is tightened. Yep.
Yo, we're booming. That's one day. It wasn't even a full 24 hours.
Yeah, I fixed it right away.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. Oh man. Alright, do an outro for my how to fix a water video. If you just fixed this, what would you say?
Now y'all know how to fix this pipe. It's a pipe.
Yep.
It's easy. Believe in yourself. Anybody can do it. Well, not anybody, but Kyle can.